Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Udin, din din dun from Italian Brainrot. So first let's get started with the stem. So we're going to draw on a curved line right in the center. For the stem on the left hand side, we're going to curve this out. And then coming to the right, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up. We're going to close this off now with a curved line on the top. Now let's draw on the leaf beside this. So starting on the right hand side, let's curve this around and down. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line up, down, back in, and over. In the center of our leaf now, we're going to curve this line across. And now let's draw in the circle head. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this around and down. And then we'll start on the right-hand side underneath the leaf here, curving this back around and then down again. Let's close this off on the left-hand side. So we're going to arch this around and in towards the middle, creating that circle. And then lastly, to close off the orange, we're just going to arch this back around and in, blending that together. Let's draw in our eyes now. So coming down on the right, we're going to curve this line up and across. We'll leave a gap and we'll do the same, bringing that up and over on the left. Now from here, on the corner, we're going to arch this around and up. Now moving underneath this, we're just going to draw in a half circle, connecting this from the left to right hand side. On the top left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. We'll do the same as we move across on the right. And then now from here in the center, just drawing in another circle, curving that around and through. And then we're just going to color the center in black. Now let's move up above and draw in our eyebrows. So starting on the inside, we're going to curve this line up and out on both sides. Starting for the bottom of the eyebrow in the corner, bringing this up, down, and then back in. And then we'll do the same on the left. And then now to close off the eyebrow on the top, just bringing this line over and then back down towards that point. Now let's come in towards the middle and draw in the nose. So on the top, we're going to draw in an arch line, starting on the bottom, curving this back around and out. To the left of this, arching this around, back in. We'll do the same on the right. Now let's draw in the mouth. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then on the side, we're just going to draw in a small bracket. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, bringing this down in the center for the top lip. And then from the middle, curving that back up and down on the right. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a small arch line, curving that over. Now let's draw in our arms. So on each side, we're going to curve this around and in, stepping down again, curving that down, and now one more time from the corner here, curving this around and in. Starting on the side, we're going to curve this around and through. And then stepping back in towards the middle, curving this over and through towards the side. Now let's draw in the muscle pattern. So we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on both sides. In the middle, arching this down. And then again as we step over on the right. Now let's draw in our hands. So moving down, we're going to draw in a small bracket on a diagonal from here. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and through. For the first finger, arching this around and up. In the middle, let's curve this line across and back through. And then again, as we move over on the side, arching that in towards the corner. Now let's draw in our legs. So as we come down in the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line. We're going to arch this line out on both sides, drawing that at an even size. And then we're going to close this off by curving this line around and in, just connecting that line together. Let's step over on the inside, arching this through towards the middle. Now as we come down, we're going to draw in another curved line, bringing that down to close off the leg on the inside. And then now let's just close off the foot. So we're going to arch this back over and through for the sneaker. From that corner, we're going to curve this line around and in. Now from the inside point here, we're going to bring this line up, across, back down. And then to close off the inside of the sneaker, we're just going to bring that in towards that corner. Let's close off the sole of the shoe now. So we're going to arch this line through. And now we're going to close off the side of the leg. So we're going to arch this up, connecting that at a point. In the middle, we're going to curve this line down. And then where the knee will be, we're just going to draw in two curved lines in an opposite direction. And that is it. That's how you draw Udin, Din, Din, Dun from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.